Hi, I'm Jessie, a UK-based illustrator and lettering artist, specialising in nostalgic, botanical illustration and Victorian-style lettering. I've been fortunate enough to work with wonderful clients across luxury British food and drinks brands. Today I'd like to show you some drawing and lettering techniques using a variety of nib sizes from the Winsor Newton Fine Liner range. I'm sketching out a few rough rectangles and quickly jotting down some basic compositional ideas. I tend to predominantly sketch first when creating an illustration. This is great for client work if quick changes are needed or for getting ideas on paper as fast as you can think of them. It's nice to see them together side by side to compare and choose from. I like to sketch on Winsor Newton A4 cartridge paper using Winsor Newton graphite pencils. I think the top right composition works best. I'm going to turn this one into the final artwork. I'm just putting down the serif W and adding a rose vine around the part of the letter. The second letter is an N, also including foliage. I'm working on Winsor Newton watercolour paper with a 2B graphite pencil. I'm happy with the sketch, so I'll use a black Winsor Newton 0.3mm fine liner to draw out the letters. I'm careful to leave space for the botanical elements that I've already sketched out. With a 0.5mm fine liner, I'm creating the vines and adding the petals. Next, I'm adding some cross-hatching with a 0.1mm fine liner. This will shade the petals and add some detail to the leaves. I'm block colouring the letters in with a 1mm fine liner. A real bonus with these fine liners is that they contain water-resistant ink and are non-fading, so when completely dry they won't smudge when you're combining with inks or watercolours. At this stage, before adding any colour, I usually remove any pencil marks and scan in at 300 dpi. This way you can experiment by adding colour both digitally or with physical inks and watercolour. I hope you enjoyed this video.